Hi, in this video right now we are in the arrival area of Terminal 3 Indira Gandhi International Airport, Delhi, and we are going to board a shuttle bus to travel from Terminal 3 to Terminal 1. So in this area you can see two kind of exit. One exit will be inside the airport and the other exit will be outside the airport. So when you come to this pillar number 10, you can see this shuttle bus counter over here. So if you do have some kind of connecting flight, you can show your boarding pass to the shuttle counter so that they can issue you a free ticket to travel from Terminal 3 to Terminal 1. So if not, no need to worry about anything. You can just enter the shuttle bus. So and you will be charged an amount of around 25 rupees per passenger to travel from either T3 to T2 or either to T3 to T1. So both of these terminals just cost you just 25 rupees, so no need to worry about anything. You just enter the shuttle bus, and the total travel time from this terminal 3 to terminal 1 will be around maximum of around half an hour, but you can just walk from T3 to T2. It will take just 10 minutes to walk from T3 to T2. So right now this bus enters the terminal 2 area, so it will just deboard all the passengers who were wanted to travel from T3 to T2. So if you do have any kind of heavy luggages with you, and if you choose to travel in the shuttle bus, no need to worry, it will take just 10 minutes to travel from T3 to T2 with the help of this shuttle bus. And here people who want to deboard the bus, they can just deboard the bus and they can enter terminal 2. And people who want to go to T3 to T1 or from T2 to T1, they can just board the shuttle bus at T3 or T2, and again it will take just maximum of around 20 to 25 minutes, or just 20 minutes to travel from T2 to T1. So no need to worry about the travel timing. You just enter the bus and you can just have a nice view outside. So this is the view of the shuttle bus over here. So all kind of taxis will approach you and they will charge you minimum of around 200 or maximum 400 to travel from T3 to T1 or from T2 to T1. So no need to just go in taxi. Even if you have any kind of heavy baggages with you, you can just enter the shuttle bus, and this kind of travel will cost you just around 25 rupees per passenger. So it's cost effective, and the frequency of shuttle bus from T3 to T1 or from T3 to T2 or just 15 minutes. You have to wait just 15 minutes to catch the next shuttle bus to this airport. So I always recommend passengers to use this kind of public transport which is provided by the Delhi airport. So no need to worry about carrying any heavy baggages with you. You just enter the bus. So they will be just they will just help you travel from one terminal to another terminal without any kind of hassles. So right now we have entered the departure area of terminal 1. So this is the departure area of terminal 1. Who want to deboard the bus and who wants to catch the connecting flight, they can deboard the bus at this departure area of terminal 1. And who wanted to go to terminal 1 metro station, they have to wait here for just per 1 minute, and this bus will make a U-turn over here and it will go to the ground floor where the terminal 1 metro station is right now. So right now this bus is going to make a U-turn and we are going to go to terminal 1 metro station and also the arrival area. So people who wish to travel from T3 to T1 departure area or from T3 to T1 metro station or arrival area, they can make use of the shuttle bus, and it will take just maximum of around, as I told you already, 25 minutes to reach from one terminal to the another terminal. So as I told you, this bus facility is actually for 24 hours. Either you come morning, afternoon or night, anytime it is totally available, this shuttle bus facility. So if any kind of taxis come and ask whether they want to drop you, no need to worry about that. This shuttle bus facility is available 24 hours. So right now we got down at arrival area of T1 terminal 1. So from here there is a metro station over here, just 2 minutes walk away. So once again, thank you for watching my video. If you do have any kind of doubts, please do comment in the comment section. I will help you out.